Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Glory and I am a curly hair enthusiast here on YouTube and also on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a super exciting video. I'm so excited to introduce you guys to a new product. So you guys know I am a platinum blonde curly haired girl. My hair is high maintenance and I like to really take care of my hair. So I like to use a lot of deep conditioning treatments and a lot of bond building treatments. Well, today I'm gonna be reviewing with you guys the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. You guys know I'm big on bond building treatments. I need them to continue keeping my blonde hair healthy. And I am an Olaplex number 3 user. I use Olaplex number 3 constantly. But when I found out that Curlsmith was releasing their own bond building treatment that targets all 3 bonds that make up the hair, I knew I was gonna be your guinea pig when it comes to these products that really target damaged hair. So today we're going to be reviewing these two products side by side and seeing which one is better. So you guys know the drill. Before we go ahead and begin, if you like curly hair videos, curly content, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I'll wait. Did you do it? Okay. Also, make sure you follow me on all of my social handles. I will go ahead and leave them down below. I like to do a lot of polls, a lot of questionnaires, and interact with you guys, so make sure you go ahead and follow me on those as well. And let's just go ahead and get started because I need to talk about this product. So I know one of the questions I'm gonna get is, what is a bond builder? What does it do? What does it target? And how is it gonna be able to help my curls? So our hair is made up of keratin, which is a protein, and keratin is made up of 3 different bonds. We have disulfide bonds, salt bonds, and hydrogen bonds. So disulfide bonds are typically damaged by chemical processing and using bleach. Salt bonds can be damaged by an imbalance of pH, and hydrogen bonds can be damaged by using heat. So what a bond building treatment can do for you is keep your hair strong and also help to prevent any future damage. So like I said in the beginning, today I'm going to be trying out 2 different bonding treatments. I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 3 and the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. So one big difference between these 2 bonding treatments is Olaplex does target disulfide bonds, whereas the Bond Curl Rehab Salve from Curlsmith actually targets all 3 bonds that make up the hair. So that is something so amazing to me. I've used Olaplex for going on like 3 years now, and one of the biggest concerns I have is the price for the 3.3 fluid ounce bottle that I can only get about 4 to 5 uses out of it. For $28 and this size, it's pretty expensive. But the Bond Curl Rehab Salve from Curlsmith is 8 fluid ounces and is $29. So you definitely get your bang for your buck when it comes to this product. We're gonna be doing a split test and really see how they work. Let's go ahead and get started. So I just thought I'd hop on here and show you guys how my hair is looking before. Don't let this cute bun fool you. My hair is so dry. Having high porosity is literally no joke, and my hair feels dry all the time. It's so difficult to keep moisture in. So I'm really hoping that the Bond Curl Rehab Salve is something that really helps me. Yeah, so this is before. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. This is a pre-shampoo treatment, so I'm not gonna be shampooing my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it, detangle it, and then we will be back so we can do the split test and compare these products. So I already know how my Olaplex smells. It has like a very nice floral scent. Very floral, very light. But I just smelled the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and guys, this smells absolutely divine. It smells so good. It smells good enough to eat, to be honest. When it comes to smell, definitely would choose this product. Let's go ahead and begin. So you guys know Olaplex will be on this side, and then the Bond Curl Rehab Salve will be on this side. So like I've said before in many of my previous videos, I consistently use Olaplex every single week. I love the light floral smell, and also it has a pretty good amount of slip. Olaplex number 3 is a take-home treatment. Basically what it does is it reduces breakage and visibly strengthens the hair, repairing damage and also protecting your hair from future damage. Now, my main issue with this product is how heavy-handed I have to be to feel like my hair is actually saturated with the product. And for the price, for $28, it is pretty expensive. And that's just one of my main concerns when it comes to this product. Other than that, it's a really great product. Now moving on to the Bond Curl Rehab Salve from Curlsmith. This product is meant to relink hair bonds, protect the hair, make curls more manageable, help strengthen it, and also helps to enhance the curl pattern. Like I said before, it's a protein treatment, a pre-shampoo treatment, but most importantly, it is a bond building treatment. So right off the bat, guys, this slip is unbelievable. Wow. And the smell of it is so amazing. I'm obsessed with the smell. On the bottle it says that if you have low porosity, you should use this product every 2 to 3 wash days. If you have medium porosity, you should use it every other wash day. And if you have high porosity, which is what I have, you should use it every wash day. This product contains pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. Of course, amazing ingredients, nothing new when it comes to Curlsmith products. So yes, this is a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair, but anybody can use it because we all deal with damage. Guys, so I just applied all of the product in my hair. Both sides are completely saturated. With this side with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and this side with the Olaplex number 3. Let's talk because I'm honestly shook. But first things first, love the smell of this product over this product. I am a sucker for products that smell really good, and this product smells chef's kiss, like amazing. So I feel like I did have to use a lot of product when it came to the number 3, whereas the Bond Curl Rehab Salve gave me tons more slip, and I did not have to use as much product. It felt weird not having to be heavy-handed with it compared to the Olaplex number 3. I barely even made a dent in the bottle. So, I mean, I know it's only for this side, but like, what? That's crazy. Definitely some differences in certain areas. So I'm gonna leave this on for 1 hour because it does say to leave in for a minimum of 15 minutes or longer, maximum for 1 hour. And since I do have high porosity hair, my hair would really benefit from the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, since it is a protein treatment but also a bond building treatment. I will be back in an hour to check in with you guys, let you guys know how I'm feeling about each side. So I will be back. So I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how I'm feeling about my hair. I'm gonna quickly unravel these twists. So off the bat, the Bond Curl Rehab Salve side feels really nice, really soft, very moisturized. I'm really liking how it's feeling. Whereas the Olaplex side, this side feels good. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel nice. It feels like there's slip. It doesn't feel as moisturized compared to this side. I'm like really hopeful for this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Shampoo, condition, do my regular deep conditioning, and then I'm gonna style using 2 of my favorite products from Curlsmith, which is the Hold Me Softly Style Balm and the In Shower Style Fixer. Yeah, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm here to show you guys my results. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Let's just first take a look. This is the Curlsmith Bond Rehab Salve side, and then this is the Olaplex side. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie. Both sides look really good, but I do like this side better. Like, it looks a lot more fuller, a lot bigger, and honestly it feels better. Like, not to say that this side doesn't look bad, it doesn't look bad, it's just a lot more flatter. I feel like it doesn't look as good as like this side. Like this side looks so good. Definitely a difference. After using the Bond Curl Rehab Salve and the Olaplex, I did wash my hair. I shampooed it, went in with a deep conditioner. I used the moisturizing one because the Bond Curl Rehab Salve does contain protein in it. So I just wanted to use a moisturizing deep conditioner to balance it out. So one of the main things that I really want to talk about after using both products is where my hair felt really soft on the Bond Curl Rehab Salve side, that I didn't feel like I needed to use a deep conditioner afterwards. Although I didn't really feel like I needed to, which compared to Olaplex, I feel like I always need to use a deep conditioner because my hair after rinsing out the product typically feels pretty dry. Like I said before, I barely made a dent in the bottle. This, I did just get it and I made a pretty big dent in the bottle. So definitely a little goes a long way with the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. My Olaplex number 3 I will always love, but I think the Bond Curl Rehab Salve now has a special place in my heart. I'm just so excited to continue using it and continue updating you guys with how I feel about this product. This product definitely wowed me today and I'm very pleased with my results. I'm also super excited to use the entire recipe line. I do have it. Thank you to Curlsmith for sending it to me. I'm so excited to try that, but that will be in a separate video, so stay tuned. If you have any questions at all, please comment them down below and I will go ahead and get back to you guys as soon as I can. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This video was so fun for me to do. If you liked it, make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up and go down below and subscribe to my channel. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!